Need sound effects? You came to the right place. Quick and easy. Link will be in description as always, no worries. You can research for sound effects that already exist. And just download them. First listen to the sounds and see if that's what you want for your project. If not, search for another one. This is very easy, and then all you have to do is download it. How brilliant is this? Wow, I love it, how easy, free and quick it is. So all you have to do is this process. Don't forget to check out my playlists. I have so many easy, quick tutorials on free AI tools for you in your projects. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your project. Thanks so much for being here in my journey with me. Bye bye for now.